am Dr. Silvaroli, the nurse practitioner with the school district in Niagara Falls, and I'm just here to show you an easy way to have a face covering. The Board of Education has given us these really cool orange bandanas, and I'm going to be able to show you how to put that on your face. A couple tips though that I want to just talk about first. The first thing is that these do have to be washed daily, okay? It is important that you wash them at least once a day. I want you to remember that these face coverings are for you to protect your germs within yourself, so you're not spreading them out to the community. So if everybody's wearing a face covering, that means there'll be less germs in the community. The next thing that I wanted to tell you is before you touch your face with or without a face covering on, we're always going to make sure that we're going to hand sanitizer your hands or wash with good soap and water. That's preferred, but if not, we can always use the hand sanitizer. So once you sanitize your hands, you're just going to simply take your little bandana, lay it down on the table, and this is the first way. You could just simply put it up the corner and just simply tie it around your face. Once you have it tied nice and tight, you can tuck this right in, and there you go. You have a nice little face covering. Easy to move around, and you can work all day with it. Now, the time that you'd have to wear the face covering is when you're in close proximity with another person. So this is easy that you could just put it down and wear it throughout the day. When you're walking in the hallway and you come in contact with somebody, you can simply move it right back up, and there you have it. Your face covering's up. That's one way. The next way is to simply, again, you have your bandana. You can fold it up once and then fold it up a second time. And take some elastic straps or rubber bands. Put it on. Each one goes on each side. Fold it over. And then the elastic bands go right around your ears. And there you have it, a nice face covering. Again, remember before touching to take off your face covering, you're going to want a hand sanitizer if you've come in contact with anything. One last way, if you really want to, if just a quick little way, is again just keep it straight. Tie it right around your head. No folding necessary. Easy and fast. And there you go. You just have a bandana. You can tuck this into your shirt and you're all set to go. Thank you, and have a nice day.